Can a dog be demonic? Look at them black eyes. Yes, a dog, an animal can be demonic. Jesus sent evil spirits, a legion of demonic spirits, into pigs. So yes, an animal can be demonic. Look at them black eyes. Normal eye color for a dog is blue and brown. This dog is even demonic looking. Pointed ears, black eyes, had a tongue that had 2 points to it. No, he ain't my dog. He's a dog who just showed up. Plumb demonic looking. Look at them black eyes. I'm sure there's a particular breed of him. But all I know is the dogs that I've seen in my years, and I'm 59 years old and not medicated, they have brown and blue eyes. Black eye color, green eye color, yellow eye color is not normal. Go to AK Whitfield, the first one.